Video you are going to learn about microorganisms. Micro means small, organism means living things. So you are going to study about small living things. So microorganism which cannot be seen through a human eye, which can only seen through a microscope. And study of this microorganisms is called microbiology. And microorganisms are classified into 5 types: virus, bacteria, fungi, algae and protozoa, and we will be explaining all these 5 categories. First, virus. Virus is a tiny particle made up of genetic material and protein, and which is living things also found in non-living. Of virus in Latin is poison, and the study of virus is called virology. And comparing to bacteria, 10,000 times smaller. Virus is 10,000 times smaller comparing to bacteria. So virus has different shapes. We will see one by one. First, it is a complex shape which has head, sheath, core and capsule. It is called bacteriophage. And it is called this kind of complex shape, it is called bacteriophage. And spherical shape, it is called as influenza. And helical, it is called tuberculosis virus. These are the shapes of virus. And we will see the structure of virus. So virus contain the core of DNA or RNA. So DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. RNA is ribonucleic acid. So which is covered by protein and carbohydrates. And this employs spikes that help virus particle to attach with the host cells. Host cell is also a large microorganism which held the microorganisms like virus. And characteristics of virus. So I already said virus are living being and non-living characteristics. So living character virus responds to heat, chemical and radiation, and it reproduces itself in the host cell. Non-living characteristics, they inactive in the environment and they are crystallized and stored for a long time. Next we are going to see about bacteria. Bacteria are called single-celled. Bacteria are prokaryotes. They do not have nuclei, and bacteria is the first living organism on the earth, and it comes under the kingdom of Monera. The study of bacteria is called bacteriology, and its size of a bacteria is 1 micrometer to 5 micrometer. And based on the respiration, bacteria is classified into 2 types: aerobic bacteria which requires oxygen. Anaerobic bacteria it does not require oxygen. And this is the structure of bacteria, and it contains cell wall, nuclear, circular DNA. DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid, and capsula, pill, cell membrane and flagella. Flagella is used for locomotion. Locomotion means movement. So this causes the movement of bacteria. According to the shape of the cell, bacteria is classified into 4 types. First is bacilli, which is in a rod shape. Rod shape, it is called bacilli. If it is in a spherical shape, it is called spirilla. If it is in a spear shape, it is cocci, and if it is in a comma shape, it is called vibrio. According to the shape, there are 4 types, and which is given in the picture. And according to the number and arrangement of flagella, it is called monotrichous. It is 1 flagella at end. Lophotrichous, tuft of flagella at one end. And amphitrichous, both the ends. Flagella all around, it is called as petritrichous. and without flagella it is called as atrichous. These are the images of the flagella. First, atrichous without flagella, monotrichous with one flagella, amphitrichous both the sides, petritrichous all over there is a flagella, loco is one side. And bacteria make their food by themselves. Bacteria live in harsh environment, uses chemicals to make their food instead of getting energy from the sun. This process is called chemosynthesis.